Welcome to the best picks. The best metal grocery cart is probably one of the most durable and reliable shopping companions you can find, designed to withstand the rigors of weekly grocery hauls and built to last for years, providing a sturdy and eco-friendly alternative to plastic carts that often end up in landfills. This video will explore the key features and benefits of metal grocery carts, helping you choose the perfect one to simplify your shopping experience and reduce your environmental impact. Number 5. Whitmor Deluxe Utility Cart. Say hello to effortless transport of heavy items. It's perfect for groceries, laundry, or sports equipment, making your life easier. Its heavy-duty wheels roll smoothly, making it ideal for various terrains and users. Maneuver it with ease, regardless of your living situation. This space-saving cart collapses for easy storage. It's perfect for small apartments or homes where space is at a premium. At 21 by 24.5 by 40.12 inches when assembled, it offers ample space. Plus, it's easy to put together, all you need are pliers. The foam-covered handle provides a comfortable grip, and the durable, black epoxy-coated steel construction ensures long-lasting use. It's built to last. Transporting large and heavy items has never been easier. It's the perfect solution for busy individuals and families. What we like? It boasts an extra-large capacity, perfect for those jumbo shopping trips or hauling bulky items. The heavy-duty wheels ensure smooth movement, even on uneven terrain. If you need a spacious, durable cart that's easy to store away, this is the one for you. What people say. It took less than a minute to put together, it handles easily because of the large wheels, and it's not heavy. Used to take laundry out and in for line drying through uneven and heavy lawn, works like a charm, well-built, lightweight but heavy-duty. The cushion full-width handlebar grip is very comfortable. It holds a lot. Rolling from my carport space to my stairway was very smooth and easy. Number 4. Wellmax WM99024S Grocery Cart. It's the perfect size for any home. Lightweight yet sturdy, it holds up to 66 lbs and folds flat for easy storage. It's made to last. This cart is designed to withstand daily use, even on stairs or uneven sidewalks. Go anywhere with ease. The 360-degree swivel wheels in the front and larger back wheels make it easy to navigate. It's more than just a grocery cart. Use it for laundry, camping gear, gardening tools, the possibilities are endless. This cart is a practical and efficient alternative to laundry baskets, tool storage, and more. Save time and energy. Since 1994, we've been committed to quality. Support a USA-based business and join the Wellmax family. What we like? This cart folds flat for easy storage, making it ideal for small spaces. It's built to last, handling even the toughest sidewalks and stairs with ease. If you prioritize durability and space-saving design, this is your best bet. What people say. It is easy to steer on all surfaces whether flat or hilly, back wheels handle stairs well, and is the right size for public transit. It is well made and attractive. Lightweight and folds easily to put in car, but very sturdy. Wheels move easily and the 360 turning works really well. It is light enough for older people to handle and super easy to put together, just attach the wheels and away you go. It is sturdy. Number 3. Goplus Jumbo Folding Cart. It folds easily for simple portability and storage. You can fold it up when not in use, saving valuable space. Made of durable, heavy-duty metal with a high-quality paint finish, it's built to last and resist rust. This ensures long-term use and value for your money. With its smooth-rolling swivel wheels, it's easy to maneuver anywhere. Transporting heavy loads is effortless, whether you're on sidewalks, streets, or even grass. It offers ample storage space, including an extra back basket. Keep your personal items close at hand and securely stored. Perfect for groceries, laundry, or any hauling needs. It's lightweight, sturdy, and requires simple wheel installation for quick setup. What we like? Its foldable design makes storage a breeze, while the high-quality materials ensure long-lasting use. The extra-large cargo area, including an additional basket, is perfect for carrying a lot of items. If you need a cart that's both convenient and spacious, this is the ideal choice. What people say. It slid effortlessly out of the hard cardboard box, well packed, held in place by several long wire braid ties, awesome for later use. It took me no more than 5 minutes to assemble. The cart is huge. But it is easy enough for my 77-year-old mum to zoom around the local grocers. No squeaking wrongness that IT has a smaller back-attached basket, perfect for holding folded bags, purse and store flyer. The cart itself is very sturdy construction with welded joints and solid bars. With the large back wheels, we are able to get the cart up the one step to our house pretty easily. The back basket is perfect for my husband's loaf of bread, which he insists is put in a separate bag so it doesn't get smashed. Number 2. Pipishell Piduk 1 Shopping Cart. This innovative cart is designed for effortless grocery shopping and more. Its compact design and lightweight build make it easy to maneuver and store. It boasts a large capacity, holding up to 70 liters or 66 pounds of groceries. The strong iron frame ensures it can handle heavy loads. When open, it measures 20 x 19 x 38.5 41.5 inches. Folded, it's a compact 37 by 18 by 3.5 inches, perfect for storage. The basket itself is up to 15 by 13 by 20 inches. The handle adjusts to 3 different heights, 38.5 to 41.5 inches, to suit your needs, and the thick sponge grip provides extra comfort. With dual swivel wheels in the front and large back wheels, it glides smoothly in any direction. The back wheels are easily detachable for even greater maneuverability. It folds away easily for convenient storage in your car, pantry, or garage. It's perfect for those with limited space. This cart is ideal for seniors, people with back problems, pregnant women, and anyone who wants to make their shopping trips easier and more comfortable. Never struggle with heavy groceries again. This lightweight yet sturdy cart makes shopping a breeze. Note, some assembly may be required, and some smaller parts may be challenging for the elderly to assemble. What we like. The adjustable handle ensures comfortable use for people of all heights. Its compact design makes it perfect for small living spaces. If you value adjustability and ease of movement, this cart is for you. What people say. It's definitely worth buying if you shop and walk. It's good quality and can carry a decent amount of items. Very handy cart and sturdy that folds up easily with a hook to keep it folded up. It easily holds 2 grocery bags, and more if stacked. Number 1. Grocery Utility Cart. It features large front and rear wheels, providing effortless navigation across various terrains, from roads to lawns. Enjoy a smoother, more comfortable ride. This cart is incredibly easy to put together. Simply attach the wheels and axles, no tools are required. It's quick and convenient. It's lightweight and sturdy, yet folds compactly for easy storage. Removing the wheels makes it even more space-saving than a standard cart. The extended foam handle is soft, non-slip, and sweat-absorbent, providing exceptional comfort during use. With its extra-large basket, it can carry up to 66 pounds of groceries or other items. The large wheels ensure safe transport, even when fully loaded. What we like. The large wheels make navigating various terrains a breeze. It's incredibly easy to assemble, requiring no tools. If you want a convenient, easy-to-assemble cart with great maneuverability, this is the one. What people say. It was a breeze to assemble. I am elderly with disabilities and it was one of the easiest things I have assembled. It holds a lot. I have filled it with plastic bags of groceries to the very top and it handles it all very well. Lightweight, easy to fold up and easy to assemble, literally putting on the wheels. Exactly what she needed, and while it's not huge, it will carry 3 to 4 fairly good-sized reusable bags. It was very easy to assemble. The wheels popped right on. It's a pretty good little cart for about $40 and holds a week's worth of groceries for one, including about 6 to 8 2-liter bottles of soda. It's so much easier than trying to carry everything, even in bags. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.